What is the best Crawlspace dehumidifier? Here are my full reviews of the best Crawlspace dehumidifier together with their things we like and things we don't like. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Number 1. Dri-Eaz F413 Revolution LGR Dehumidifier. This commercial-grade dehumidifier may only be about 12.5 inches in size, but it pulls more than its weight in moisture from your crawlspace. You can expect up to 80 pints of moisture taken from your crawlspace every day. The unit is rated for spaces measuring up to 7,000 square feet. Its built-in humidistat and touch controls leave you in charge of dehumidifying your crawlspace. Its special water damage design allows you to restore those areas of your home that have received damage by too much moisture. Also, the unit comes with power cord and drain hose holders, and you can drain excess water directly into a sink. The automatic restart function gets the machine up and running again on its own after a power failure. It works quite well and up to expectations. Perfect for crawl space moisture problems that harm your home. Then the unit does not use that much electricity as it does its job. What we liked: large coverage area, touch controls, long cord and drain hose. What we didn't like: some leakage issues, warranty problems when purchased from third-party seller. This product has a good review on Amazon.com, don't worry about quality. If you want to buy this product, link in the description. Number 2. Dri-Eaz PhD Compact Dehumidifier. The PhD 200 unit can be suspended from your joists for better operation. The included straps are strong enough to hold this 12.5-inch dehumidifier up in the air. Along with the straps, you get a long power and drain cord, allowing you to place this unit where you need it most. You also can drain the removed moisture directly into a basement sink with ease. The drain hose hooks up directly to the unit and should be long enough to reach a sink or basement drain. Even if you do not have enough light, you can still set the controls easily. The touchscreen allows you to set your humidity level and other functions with a touch of a finger. Plus, the unit is rated for up to 15,000 cubic feet, so no area in your home is too large for this dehumidifier. The built-in condenser pump works well and is very handy. It is also very compact, making it easy to move from place to place. What we liked: its compact size, the condenser pump, the built-in humidistat. What we didn't like: quality control issues, noisy motor. This product has a good review on Amazon.com, don't worry about quality. If you want to buy this product, link in the description. Number 3. ALORAIR Sentinel HDI 90 Basement Crawlspace Dehumidifier. The two handles help make moving this crawlspace dehumidifier into place very easy. Then, you can place this unit in just about any sized room or crawl space measuring up to 2,600 square feet. You can dry out your crawl space fast, as the unit can remove between 90 and 198 pints of moisture per day. It just depends on the settings. Its heavy-duty pump is designed to last long even after giving a hard day's work every day. Then the coils are epoxy powder coated to help prevent corrosion. You can forget about crawling to the unit to reset the controls. This dehumidifier comes with remote control features and controller. Also, if you live in a cold climate region, this unit will work at temperatures starting from 35 degrees F. The hot gas to defrost systems is superb. Plus, the filters fit well and leave no space for moisture to escape. Once in place, it goes about doing its job well and in a more than satisfactory manner. What we liked: the handles for easy carrying, the remote control, the large moisture removal capacity. What we didn't like: it is heavy, no drain hose, uses a lot of electricity. This product has a good review on Amazon.com, don't worry about quality. If you want to buy this product, link in the description. Number 4. Aprilaire Crawlspace Dehumidifier. You can get up to 70 pints of moisture removed from a room measuring up to 2,200 square feet in size. Its included drain hose allows you to drain the dehumidifier directly into a basement drain or sink. You can also direct the removal outside if you want. The unit is easy to operate. Place the dehumidifier on a level spot, plug it in, then set the humidity levels you want and turn it on. After that, you just forget about it as the unit will operate automatically. Its coils are made from corrosion-resistant aluminum and are designed to last you long time. With easy access to the control panel, you can change the settings anytime you want. This industrial unit can run 24/7 every day without fail. It is also easy to install and can be done by just about any do-it-yourself handyman. The unit takes only a few hours to bring humidity levels down to desired levels. What we liked: easy to operate, durable, reliable and long-lasting, easy to install. What we didn't like: short drain hose, does not work in lower temperatures, a little loud. This product has a good review on Amazon.com, don't worry about quality. If you want to buy this product, link in the description. Number 5. ALORAIR Sentinel HD 55 Crawlspace Dehumidifier. This little unit is designed to remove between 55 and 120 pints of moisture per day. For best results, do not place it in a room measuring larger than 1,300 square feet. You will find the control panel on the side of the dehumidifier and all it takes is one finger to set the levels you want. Feet levelers help you keep the unit level and stable. But just in case, try to place it on a level spot in your crawl space. The anti-corrosion construction material helps keep this unit running and it will work in temperatures as low as 36 degrees F. A remote control allows you to place this dehumidifier in an inconvenient spot and still give you access to its features and functions. Its digital display makes sure you can understand what setting and levels the unit is operating at. The company backs its product with great customer service. Most of the time their units work as expected and provide more than the desired results. What we liked: great customer service, digital display, remote control. What we didn't like: control panel lighting issues, some quality control issues, website language issues. This product has a good review on Amazon.com, don't worry about quality. If you want to buy this product, link in the description.